Hi there, I'm Manish. I'm here to present my CS50 project 1. So let's start with the project. So here you can see the URL of the index page, and this is the index page where you can see all the pages that are listed in the entries folder. When I click any of the topic here, it will redirect to that page. And this is the markdown language which has been converted to HTML. And then when I go to navigation bar and click home page, it will redirect to index page. Now if I go to search and type something like Python or CSS, maybe CSS, then it will redirect to the CSS content page. And again if I click home, it will come to the index page. If I just type the letters, content related to that will appear, available topics. So now let's go to new page. So if you want to create a new page, create new page, link will link to the new page tab, and here you can, so let's give one title CS50 and type markdown about, and in the about section we will give this program is taught by Brian Yu. This is fine. Markdown content, we have to fill here this. So when we press the save button, it will redirect us to the newly created markdown content. And if we go to index page, we will see that here CS50 markdown content is created. And finally here is the random. So here when we click on the random page, it will take us to the random page in the entries.